Okay, so Operation Retrieve the rod begins. I dropped it here somewhere, so got it. First go. Fucking genius. Apologies for the language. Yee-hoo! Oh my god. So much for not rusting. So that is my aluminium pole recovered. Oh my god, that is fabulous. I'm getting a rake. I am getting a rake for the boat. Yes. Right, so now I've got the rods back. I've got 2 pairs I can get. The actual panels up, which is fab. So they look pretty good up. See if I can get around the other side and show you the fronts, and they'll catch the sun. I want me or the camera to go into the cut here, if I can help it. So yeah, coming around the front, you can see they look pretty impressive, and that's going to catch a lot of sunlight from over there. I'm facing just about south, so they'll catch it as the sun goes down tonight.